Emily, what did that lady say?
Nothing bad. Just smile, okay?
Nervous.
Listen to me carefully. If you do not understand, just smile.
And laugh?
Yes, always laugh.
Hey, new kid! Oh, your shoes look tiny!
Yes!
Oh, this guy is funny. Can you introduce yourself? Take your time.
Fake nervous laugh.
Yo, what's secret?
Nothing! It's nothing!
You want to sit with us?
Yes! Yes!
Cool. Then you got to do the challenge.
Oliver, don't say yes.
You agree, right? Yes.
Jake? Where are we going?
To the assembly stage, buddy.
Stage? You said yes.
Say the chicken dance line. Chicken dance.
Chicken dance, chicken dance, chicken dance, chicken dance.
I am chicken? Why were they laughing? Oliver, stop! You said smiling fixes everything!
I was scared too.
You also pretend?
Don't tell anyone.
Oh, post it! My name is...
You'll learn.
What if they hate me first?
He was scared. I saw you were scared. Are you okay?
Chicken boy.
Quiet chuckle.
Unknown message. Meet me after school. Alone.
I know your secret.
Oliver, can you read next?
You can do it.
Hello, everyone. I lied to all of you. I laughed because I was scared.
I did not send that!
Dude, what is happening?
Oliver! You heard it! I know! Who sent this?
Now they know.
That was our sentence.
Can I sit here?
Why?
Because you look lonely. You should not trust the girl.
What?
Listen, about the stage thing, I didn't know you were scared. You still laughed.
My old school bullied me too. That's why I joke all the time. Who keeps texting you?
Did you see that?
See what? Run!
Maybe somebody hates us.
No.
Then why do they know our secret? Did you see that? See what? Over there! It's gone! Run!
Who is doing this? There you are!
What's wrong? Everybody laughs at me.
Kids laugh when they do not understand pain.
Everybody laughs at me.
Kids laugh when they do not understand pain. What is this?
We did not write that.
What are these papers?
Who is doing this?
Look over there!
I never made that!
Look, everyone is noticing it.
Stay calm, everyone.
They're all recording it!
I've got you, Oliver.
I was scared you would hate me.
He still has not told you everything.
He tricked everybody!
What else is fake?
Stop!
Tell them the truth.
Are all our phones broken? I swear, I don't know.
There's a basement?
No. We are leaving.
Come on! Wait, Jake! This has to be a prank.
What if somebody is waiting?
Is always here?
That voice.
You know it? I came here before you.
You said this was your first week?
I lied.
What is this place? I can't believe I'm doing this. That's me. But when? Yes!
They were watching you.
I just want people to like me.
You were alone this whole time?
I didn't want you scared like me.
Big smiles are dangerous. Who said that?
There!
Guys, someone edited your voice.
But who?
Next target, Lily.
There! So somebody watched all of us?
Crack! You all pretended.
Who are you?
You already know me.
No. That voice. You know who it is?
Who is that? Mason?
You finally remember me. Who is this guy? You know him? I was the lonely kid before Oliver. They bullied you too. They destroyed me.
When Emily first came here, she pretended too. She laughed when others laughed.
I was trying to survive.
So was I. So you scared everybody for revenge? No, I wanted somebody to finally tell the truth. They hate us now.
No. Somebody wants you scared.
What now? They laughed at me first.
That doesn't make this okay. What is that?
No. It's going down so fast.
What happens at 0? Don't touch it!
Scheduled upload to entire school.
Oh no.
I didn't make this.
Pretending spreads.
Someone else is here. The door is locked!
It's not budging!
Look up there!
You can't leave now.
Mason was only the beginning.
That's not my voice!
Then who started all this?
I saw this before.
Where?
In Mr. Bennett's classroom.
Wait, no? You knew about this? I thought it ended years ago.
What ended?
Mason, your brother created this system.
Brother?
Welcome back, Mason.
No, he's gone.
You left me alone here. Where are you? They laughed at us too. He became obsessed. Another timer is starting.
What happens in 30 seconds? The school speakers.
He's uploading everything!
We stop the upload now!
You don't understand him.
Then help us!
I never left.
Every monitor shows live camera feeds of the students. Watching them right now.
No more pretending.
I laughed when I did not understand. I thought people would hate the real me. But why admit it? Because hiding hurts more.
I bullied people because I was scared too. I thought laughing first made me safe.
I lied because I wanted Oliver strong. But pretending made everything worse.
I wanted everyone afraid like me. But now I'm tired.
The upload activates, but instead of humiliation videos.
The school speakers replay everyone's honest confessions. Silence fills the school. Then slowly, students upstairs begin clapping softly.
I can't believe it.
He was just scared.
Me too.
Well, this got weird. Honest laugh.
You okay? Maybe.
You helped them? What?
Oliver, what is it?
But you still missed one secret. I don't understand.
What's wrong?
Round 2 starts tomorrow.